Hey Squad, welcome back to another episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool under here, and basically what this is a shower head filter. And you see for the one that we got right here is from a brand called Aqua Home Group. And if you guys saw my previous video, I actually reviewed a few other products from this brand before, but this is one of the newer product that's actually available. So I'm actually open this up to show you guys what the inside looks like first. Once you guys do open up, this is what the inside looks like. So they do give you guys an instruction manual to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it, and also how often you need to change it. But right underneath that, we do have the actual product. So if you guys do take it out, this is what the product looks like. So they basically provide you guys the actual filter head right here, and if you guys do open it, here is basically what the inside looks like. So pretty much inside they give you guys one of them already, and they provide you guys 4 other ones that I just show you guys right here. But once you guys do take it out, this is what the inside looks like. So put this back inside for now, and close it up. Once you guys do close it up, and you see the material that's on the outside definitely feels like a high quality material, just like the other one I viewed in the past before. But right here is basically what the product looks like in the top, and then here is the bottom. So that is the first thing that's inside. Right here, you see we do have 4 of them like I mentioned, but in the bottom they do provide some more stuff, so take it out. So at the very bottom they do provide the Teflon tape that's used to prevent any kind of leakage when you guys do set it up. They also provide you guys some of these disposable shower caps if you guys want to use it. They provide you guys 2 of these options that is put inside right here when you guys do set it up. And they also provide you guys 2 of these backup options if there's any wrong with the other one. And that is basically everything that's included in the package. Now let's talk about the actual product. So for this product, like I mentioned, I actually reviewed in the past, which basically give you guys 15 stages of filtering when you guys do use it. Where for these brand new filters, it gives you guys around 20 stages of filtering, so it's much better than the previous version. And basically the benefit of using one of these shower filter is so that way when you guys do use it, it helps you guys remove a lot of the chlorine or unwanted materials. And if you guys notice for the one that I just showed you guys right now, it comes with a pack of 5 filters. If you guys think that is too much for you, they do have another option available. So this is a smaller pack where they don't give you guys as much. And for the one that we got right here is a chrome design. They actually have this available in many other designs as well. So you definitely want to do your own research to see what you prefer. But let's open up this one as well to show you guys what's included inside. So once you guys do open up, this is what the inside looks like. Let's take everything out. So same thing for this one, they provide guys 2 of these backup options. And they also provide guys a bunch of these shower caps if you guys do need to use it. They also provide guys the Teflon tape that's used to prevent any kind of leakage when you guys do set it up. Next thing inside, there's a little box. If you guys do open up, they do give you guys one of the filter inside. So this actually looks like on this side, and here is the bottom. And the very last thing is the shower filter head. So if you guys do take it out, once you guys do take it out, this is what the product looks like. So if you see when you guys put it side by side, it's basically the same exact thing. Inside is also the same as well. So regardless if you guys get the bigger pack or smaller pack, both of them are the same. It just depends on how many filters you guys want. Like I mentioned, for the big pack, it gives you guys 5, and this one gives you guys 2. But you guys are more than welcome to purchase more if you guys do need to. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now I'm actually going to set this up to show you guys what the product looks like and how to set it up. And then we'll come back and talk more product in a second. So you guys need to use the white tape right here to actually tape it on first, so that way none of the water can leak out. Alright, so we got the layer on. Now let's screw it on. So literally all you need to do is just screw it on just like this. Make it as tight as possible. Alright, so that should be good. Once you guys do that, then you guys can set up your shower head or whatever you guys want to use. So in this case, I have this one for mine. So what I'll do first is put on white tape here as well. So like I mentioned earlier, basically the benefit of using white tape is prevent the leakage. Alright, so that should be good. Let's cut it. And now we can set it up. So you can definitely use a wrench if you guys want to, but for this test I'm not going to. Alright, so once you guys set it up, this is what the product looks like. If you guys are interested in getting this shower head, feel free to get it. It's from this brand right here, and this is what the package looks like. So first thing I'm going to do when you guys first get it, like I mentioned, you guys want to run the water through the filter to make sure it's clean. So I'm going to angle the camera to show you guys what the bottom part of the water looks like when you guys do use it. Alright, so this is the bottom view of what the product looks like from the top. So I'm going to turn on the water and show you guys what the water looks like when you guys first use it. Because when you guys first turn it on, it should be black or something because of the filter. But let's turn it on and test it out. Alright, so see how all the water is all black, and that is basically from the filter. So what you're going to do is kind of like turn it on and off like a few times to make sure it's fully clean before you do use the shower filter. So I'm going to turn it off and try again. Usually I recommend doing like 2 or 3 times. It doesn't hurt to do more. Alright, so see there's some more during the second time. So just run it a few times to make sure it's clean before you guys use it. That way you guys know the filter does work, and that way you guys know you guys have clean water to use. So the water is slightly cleaner now, but it's still a little bit if you guys look carefully on here. Alright, let's do it one more time. Alright, so you still see the color on here is slightly black or kind of like a dark color. So like I mentioned, if you guys want to just run it a few more times, you definitely can. But as you see, the product definitely does work to help you guys filter your water. So this is basically what the product looks like once you guys do set it up. If you guys do set up the shower filter and also my shower head as well. Welcome back, guys. So now it's a quick test of product, and definitely actually does work, actually works quite well. If you can see the whole setup process and everything shouldn't take that long. It's actually very easy and very simple. And just like how I show you guys in the test, if it's your first time using the product, you definitely want to let it run a few times first to make sure all the dirty stuff comes out first before you guys start using it. Usually I do around like 3 to 4 times to make sure it's clean. Maybe even more than that to make sure nothing is coming out. But once you got it done, then start using it. And the time that you guys usually want to change the filter is anywhere from 6 months to 8 months, depending on your water usage. And also if you guys use more hot water or cold water, that is how you guys determine when to change it. And then for those guys who never use a shower head filter, you definitely want to invest in one. It does make a difference, especially if you guys are living somewhere where the water is not that clean. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to come unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not that's worth or not. So for both of these products I just show you guys, both of them are pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality shower head filter to help you guys filter out the water to make it even more cleaner than before. Then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or having one of these, obviously don't buy one and save your money on something else you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it'll definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.